Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I am all for a one and done outfit, and this romper from ANRABESS fits the bill. So this is a super cute little shorts and short sleeve romper outfit. It is so comfortable, I can't even tell you. This is made from a poly, rayon, and spandex blend, so it literally feels like pajamas. It is so stretchy and soft, and it is really cute. This is a perfect outfit for so many occasions. You could dress it up a little bit more, add a cute jacket, add some nice shoes, or you can just wear it lounging around the house or wear it out to the beach as a swimsuit cover. There are so many options. It's really a versatile little piece. So I got this in the size small, and I am typically a 4 to a 6. So for me, sizing was spot on. And I just love the fit of this. I love that it has the short sleeves. It's a little bit different from a lot of the sleeveless rompers. I love that it has the elastic tie, so you can actually customize the fit a little bit to make it just right for you. And I love that it has pockets. So pockets are such a huge deal. I love to have something that I can just pop my phone or credit card or maybe my chapstick into and be able to have it really handy. And I also love the length of the shorts. So they are not too short. You can wear this to tons of different occasions and feel totally comfortable. So if you're looking for that perfect one and done, super comfy outfit that you can wear to lots of different occasions, definitely check out this romper from ANRABESS. So pleased with it. It's so cute, so comfortable. You're gonna absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.